Are you a budding YouTuber looking for an affordable yet good quality microphone? Well, you've come to the right place. Here are some great options to consider. First up, we have the Boya by M1 lavalier microphone. This budget-friendly lavalier microphone clips onto your clothing and is known for decent audio quality, especially considering its price. It's a great starting point for any new YouTuber. Next on the list are the Fifine USB microphones. Fifine offers a range of USB microphones at affordable prices, all of which are suitable for recording voiceovers and commentary for YouTube videos. They're easy to set up, making them a solid choice for those new to recording. Then there's the Blue Snowball Ice. This popular USB microphone offers good sound quality for its price. It's also easy to set up and use, making it a hit among new YouTubers. Moving on, we have the Audio-Technica ATR 2100X USB. This microphone offers both USB and XLR connectivity, making it a versatile choice for beginners who might upgrade their setup in the future. It's known for delivering good audio quality, so it's worth considering. Lastly, if you're primarily recording with a camera or smartphone, the Rode Video Micro might be the one for you. This compact shotgun microphone can significantly improve your audio quality. But remember, the best microphone can vary depending on your specific needs and budget. It's a good idea to read reviews, consider your recording environment, and think about whether you need a USB or XLR microphone. Good audio quality is crucial for YouTube, so make sure to invest in the best microphone that fits your budget. To sum up, we've covered the budget-friendly Boya by M1 lavalier microphone, the versatile Fifine USB microphones, the popular Blue Snowball Ice, the dual connectivity Audio-Technica ATR 2100X USB, and the compact Rode Video Micro. Each has its own strengths and is worth considering as you start your YouTube journey.